Before I get started, a huge thank you round to the team at MediaPost, John, Erin, Maddie, Seth, Jamie, all of you there. Thank you so much. Morgan, thank you, buddy. You're special. But thank you so much to everyone. And can we have a big round of applause for each one of them, please? A big round of applause. Thank you, guys. Good morning. My name is Prasanjeet Dutta Baruah, and there's a quiz at the end of it. If you remember a name, you get a special prize, but I go by PD. I'm the head of growth and partnerships at Avataar. I started my career in marketing, was the global CMO for a luxury hospitality brand, after which I moved to the other side, I won't call it the dark side, of revenue, where I joined Facebook in 2015 in the India team and set up the India business. Ran that for 5.5 years and then moved to New York to be part of the global business, after which I took the move of joining Avataar, which is a Sequoia-funded Series B Gen AI startup, which we'll talk about today. In this presentation, the word AI will be mentioned a lot of times, so whoever is keeping count, all the best, and I'll get started. So we're going to talk about driving higher ROI. I'm in a room of performance marketeers. What else do I talk about? Using Agentic AI. But let me get started with a video of what we do. Yeah, so that's some of our work that we do on 3D. These are all 3D models. They're not being shot on video, all 3D models. A quick slide on our journey so far. Like I said, we are a Sequoia-backed Series B AI firm. We raised our Series B round of $45 million in 2022, going into the pandemic. We are trusted by a bunch of really dear clients, HP, Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, Victoria's Secret, Newegg. We work with a bunch of agencies, Dentsu being one of the biggest. As a partner, we are a tech platform, Philips, Sleep Number, a bunch of other clients there. We also partners with Meta, AWS, Shopify, NVIDIA, Microsoft. So that's a little bit about us. We are 10 years old. We've just launched, but we've pivoted for around 4 years back onto this new journey, and which I'm going to talk to you about today. So what is agentic AI, right? Let me just I'm going to take a minute on this. So we are all familiar with ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, Perplexity, these are all foundation AI models. And the difference in foundational AI and agentic AI models are as follows. So the foundation AI takes input from the internet. So it's an input and it gives you an output. So it gives you visuals as an output, it gives you a video as an output. But the input is whatever they get on the internet. What we've done is we've built a layer on that, which is called the Agentic AI layer, on top of the foundational AI, which is our own LLM that we've built. We built a layer that is built for purpose and built for outcomes. It's built for outcomes for the retail, for products, for brands. So it's built in that design, which means there is no hallucination at all in the products that are built using our AI, which you'll never have in a foundational layer. So those are gaps. So it's built for that and it's built for scale. So you can scale your entire catalog. So Lowe's, for example, is a massive brand, has a huge catalog. I'll talk to you about HP today. HP has a big catalog that we've embarked on a journey. It's early stages right now, but we've embarked on a journey with them. So there's a huge focus on driving outcome for brands. And therefore, the way we think about it, how we build different, is we have a sophisticated intelligence layer. What this does is we've got years of intelligence put in on what features work, what kind of features work when you're selling a product. So our AI is trained to pick out, using your textual content on product listings, the main features that will help you sell the product faster. So it pulls that out, creates a hero narrative, creates zero hallucination product visuals, and adds a creative overlay to it and creates a video. All this is done in under 10 minutes. Our guiding first principles are we stand for hyper-real quality, so completely no hallucinations, like I said, enabling scale, doing this in high speed because that's of essence to all marketers nowadays, and at a great low cost. But finally, all this is designed to help you drive higher conversions. So think about converting any still image to a video, and when the video, the product is completely no hallucination clean, what it'll do for your ROI. So that works very well for people. We work across the funnel. So what you saw was a video of the bespoke videos that we can create. Then we have templatized videos. I'll show you some examples in the next few slides. And what I'll talk more about today is something called Velocity that I'm very excited about launching out today, which is a fully automated platform that we have for performance marketers. And we therefore work across these 6 kind of outputs. We create 3D models, which basically are the input for this entire product. From that, we can generate images, so you don't have to think of photo shoots, templatized videos, bespoke videos, spatial experiences. If any of you are planning on creating something for Vision Pro or Meta Quest 3, we have solutions for that, and we are badge partners with both these brands. And of course, the automated Velocity videos. So now I'll take a minute and walk you through the Velocity video piece before I walk onto the HP case study. So this is our game-changing Agentic AI product video creation built for performance marketeers, and a quick run through of some examples of how this works in. So this basically pulls up from a product listing, picks up your USPs, and creates a video with music and gives you all the sound and all the effect you need. So essentially, your still images become contextual videos to drive conversion and improve ROI for you in your campaigns. So it's a very simple job. Product videos with a single click. All you need to do is upload your product link, your web page link, or wherever the product is listed. Press generate video, and the video is ready in under 10 minutes. And there's also a way of doing this through an API integration, so you don't need to do it individually. So we partner with agencies, with brands, where we put in API links. We also partnered with Amazon 2 months back, where we did this on the seller services portal for 640 odd brands. And the brands just had to upload the image, click on the link, and videos are generated automatically with no human intervention after that. So they're built for performance, simple, no hallucination, cost effective. I've spoken about this. So drives higher conversions, has great AI guardrails for retail, so there's no hallucination. It's very easy to make, and it's thumb-stopping content, and it's incredibly priced. Built for conversions, like I said earlier, the AI is trained to pick up features that help you sell the product faster. So we've trained it that way. And therefore, we have proprietary features that we put in there. And we have an automated QC that runs at the back end to ensure that your product looks the way it should, the copy is all in check, and everything's there. And finally, you have a nice video that comes out at the end. And the question I then get asked is, fine, you build this through AI, there's no hallucination, everything's all cool, looks very good, but what about my brand font, the look and feel of the brand? I don't want to look like a particular brand. I have a certain look. So we built for that also. So these videos are customizable, they're integratable, and they're editable. So you can customize, we can actually create separate platforms for you with your brand guidelines fitted into it. So you have your own white label site where you can create all this. They integrate them into your system through APIs, and they are editable. And I'll show you an example. This should play. Yep. So this is an example of the videos being generated. It goes on to a platform called Creator that comes on along with this. And then you can literally, very, very simply, almost like a Canva-ish way of editing, picking up templates, and you have your video ready. All this gets done very, very quickly, all driven by the AI at the back end, ensuring that your product looks exactly the way it should and drives for conversion. So that's what our Velocity product basically does. And I'll just take the last few minutes of talking through what we are doing with what we're very excited of embarking on this journey with Morgan and his team at HP, where we work across categories, geographies, and languages to optimize cost, drive operational efficiency, and greater conversions. So this was the challenge that Morgan threw to us. I met Morgan in March at Shop Talk, and we've been on it since then. So coverage across geographies, HP has a massive library of SKUs across 50 plus geographies, 30 plus languages, and the 200,000 plus SKUs. So how do we organize all this using 3D models and building templatized videos? So that's the job to be done. And we've embarked on its early stages. We're getting into a pilot. We've already seen some results, but getting into a pilot now. And this is what's come out of this. So what we can now do is actually we've used these assets and created marketing videos that will be used by the marketing team at HP. And we also have a full set of videos for the non-flagship brands that normally don't get all the love that the flagship brands do because you've got to prioritize as a marketing team. So now the e-commerce team has a set of optimized video assets for conversions for all the marketplaces, websites, and wherever they need to list it. That's one. And now the marketing team can use this for their performance marketing and use these videos across all performance marketing. And this is an example of a templatized video that we built for them. This is for printers. So we create a template for the printer, and then you literally have different colors, different flavor, different shape, different variations that are built into this. So all done with the click of a button using the AI that we work very closely with Morgan and his team. That's pretty much it from my side. So I'm very keen to invite any one of you to have a talk with me after this, to partner with us to reimagine performance, discovery, and outcomes. And open to any questions if you have time, or I can take it afterwards. Thank you so much for the warm welcome.